Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Apple Pay is ready. Add and verify a supported card and wallet so transactions are authorized. Next, make sure you are logged into your Supercell ID inside the game because purchases link to that account. Once done, enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a secure passcode to speed checkout. This reduces friction and prevents accidental purchases. You need these steps completed to see Apple Pay as a payment option in the Supercell Store. You now pick the item you want from the Supercell Store. Selecting the precise pack avoids later confusion. After tapping Buy, pause to review the order total, taxes, and billing address because Apple Pay will use those details. Accuracy prevents declines. Then select Apple Pay from the presented options. The Apple Pay sheet appears to show card, shipping, and contact info. Make any necessary edits on that sheet so the transaction goes through smoothly. You finish by authorizing the payment. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode to confirm. This final step sends the payment to Supercell. After it completes, verify the charge in Wallet and watch for Supercell's in-game receipt. The purchase should deliver immediately. If something fails, check the card status, billing address, Apple ID country, and network connection. These are the most common causes of declines. Re-add the card or contact your bank if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.